Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTube, wherever you guys are in the world. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas for those that celebrate it or don't. So we're back with another opening today. Obviously, we're gonna be opening up some Topps Holiday. I ended up picking up 2 mega boxes. We're only gonna open one in this video. I'm gonna open another one up in another video. So please comment on the videos what your favorite card was of the break. These run about $28 after tax. 26, yeah, like $28, I think. $24.99 this year instead of $20. I do like the gold foil. They got Trout, Franco, Torkelson, Julio, Betts, and Witt on the front. Here's a glimpse at what the cards kind of look like. Here's your odds, guys. They're going to be 10 packs, 10 cards per pack, 100 cards per mega box on average. However, right here in the small print, packs with special insert may contain only 3 to 8 cards. So like a autograph patch or something like that. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this, guys. I'm kind of hyped up. Let's do it. I might have more coming on Friday, depending on if my Walmart will have any more of this stuff left. I went in on Saturday and they still had all of them. The entire shelf was still full. So either people just are saving up or they're not really buying cards anymore like they were. So the more the merrier for me, I guess. I don't know. I'll bring them to you guys here on the channel for you guys to see get ripped. Trying to kind of save the packaging, but it's not working out too well right now. Wow, so they laid these cards flat, completely flat in the box. Dang, dude, that's... So they laid them completely flat like that. Just stacking them in the box. All right, so our ornament dealio is Walker Buehler. So that's a PC. That's my dude right there. I like him. Now, in this set, I believe it's going to be everything from Series 1, 2, and Update. I don't have a Wander Wander. I don't have a Wander rookie because I didn't open any of Series 1 at all. But here's a glimpse at the guys you're going to want to look for. CJ Abrams, O'Neal Cruz, obviously Bobby Witt, and Julio, and Bryson Stott. Now here's some other ones. Seiya Suzuki, Cato, and Torkelson. Now this isn't going to be Torkelson's rookie. I think he was actually in last year's stuff. Or he might have been in Series 1. I think he was in Series 1. But anyway, those are the guys you're going to want to look for. Also, Hunter Green. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into this. Now, they did make it easier to spot the metallics that have like a grayish or silver border. And you really got to pay attention on these cards. So I don't know, that might be one right there. 11. What are the base numbers on these? Yeah. So that was just a base India. There's Dansby. I actually hit a Christian Yelich last year. Here's Suzuki. Wilson Contreras, I think. That's a base. That sleeve kind of threw me off. Stephen Kwan. I don't see nothing there. And Eloy. I don't see anything on this. Alright, next pack, guys. On average, you should at least get one image variation per mega. Or more. So, at least one. So here's Seth Beer. He was from Series 2, I think. Pretty nice. Taylor Ward, I don't see nothing there. Cal Rayleigh, nothing there on that one. We have a upside down card, so here's Byron Buxton. Diving into the Christmas packages. Zero, he has 20 on the back, so I don't know which one that is. But that's cool. And like I was saying, the metallics, here's Felix Bautista. So it's silver, so it's easier to spot the metallics. Mackenzie Gore. I don't see nothing on that. Nothing on Javi. He's just a base. Willie Adames. Andrew McCutcheon. I don't see anything there. And Joe Musgrove. I don't see nothing on that. Alright, so we're going to sleeve the Bautista and the Buxton real quick. Just take a second. So there's our first one. Next pack. It's gonna be kind of a long video just because you gotta look for everything. So put him up there. Don't see anything on the Anderson. Yachty, I don't see nothing. There's Luke Williams. Here's my boy Bo. That's just a base. William Woods, nothing there. Brendan Marsh. Nothing on that one. George Springer, nothing there. Miggy, Diego Castillo, and there's the base Byron Buxton. All right, next pack. Yeah, it is going to be kind of a longer video. We're already over 9 minutes. Cedric Mullins, nothing on that. Cooper Hummel. Jose Ramirez, nothing that I can see. Maybe the belt, nope. There's Trout. Luis Gil, another metallic. Tommy Romero, nothing that I can spot. There's Acuna, or no, Albies. Look like Acuna. It's just a base. There's Max Kepler. Base. Carlos Correa. and Dylan Carlson. Should get a metallic one in every 2 packs. So you should get 5 per box on average. Ooh, shoot, dude, there's a big one right there. I got Julio. I'll put that back here right now. Sean Murphy. Just the base. There's a Hunter Green. I was talking about him earlier. There's Shohei. Would have been cool if he was throwing something. Dude, we got a red. No way, dude. That looks badass. Dude, I wish that was my Julio. Holy crap, look at that thing. Richie Palacios. Out of 99. I wish that was my Julio, man. That would have been really cool. Marcus Simeon. I think there's nothing going on there. Just a base. Ty France. Should not be nothing in that. Marcus Stroman. Just a base. There's Jake Berger. Jake Berger. Nothing going on in that. And then there's the polar bear. Alonzo. Damn, dude, I wish that was my, I really wish that was my Julio, that red one. Dude, that red metallic looks pretty crazy. Especially on those snowflakes. That looks pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. Then we have Hunter Green and Julio. Next pack, I really wish that was my Julio or Bobby Witt. That would have been an early Christmas present to myself. Alright. Marinaccio. That's just a base. Rookie. Shane Bieber. Nothing that stands out on that. Matijevic. Kershaw. Nothing really going on there. Maybe the belt. Nope. There's a metallic Machado. Kirby. I think this was the guy that I was saying looked like he was grabbing himself in Series 2. There's Jordan. Reed Detmers. There's Mookie. Mookie might have the Santa belt. Nope. I thought it was at first. It looks like it is, don't it? I'll put that aside. It kind of looks like it is. There's our red. If I can hit a metallic Julio, I'd love to pull that, man. I've got Pepio. Yuli. Doesn't look like anything's going on that. Cortez. Nothing there. Looking at his shoes and everything. There's Joe Ryan from Series 2. Hey, look. Bobby Witt. And it's an SP. Look at his bat. Candy cane bat. Pretty sweet. Luis Robert. Or Robert. Nick Lodolo. I don't see anything going on in him because we pulled the Witt, so we probably won't hit anything out of this pack. The rest of it. De La Cruz. Sawinski. And Corbin Burns. There's nothing there either. So on the Witt, it is out of 19. So the Buxton is probably a SSP or a SSSP. Here's the Witt. Throw the Witt over here. I do wish the red one was either Witt or Julio. That would have been really cool. Especially because they're out of 99. That's pretty neat. No, I'm like a broken record saying that every few seconds, but it's true. Okay, next pack, guys. At least I'm not hitting any dupes on the cards. That's pretty cool. So I can actually try to sell some of this set off. There's Crone. Josiah Gray. There's my dude that I collect, Dylan Cease. Matt Manning. Michael Lorenzen as the metallic. We have 2 more packs after this. Adrian Martinez. Matt Chapman. I don't see nothing on there. Vidal, he's another rookie you guys need to keep an eye out for in this set. And an update, he's pretty good. Tim Anderson. Just a base, and Kyle Schwarber. Should just be a base. Alright. Trying not to really drag this video out because I'm already over time. 2 more packs. Jeff McNeil. Just a base. Here's Walker. Oh, we got a patch card. And it's somebody everybody likes too. That's pretty cool. It's going to be Julio. It might be part of his jersey, I can't tell. That looks like their colors. Player worn memorabilia, yep. Ernie Clement, not seeing anything on there. Don't see anything there. Kevin Sheets. Nothing there. Eric Homer. Nothing there. That stands out anyway. It's just a base. And Matt Vierling. Nothing on that one that stands out. That's just a base. That's pretty cool, dude, that I hit a Julio patch. I hit a Trout, I think, a few years ago too, or last year. That's pretty cool. Alright, last pack, guys. Thanks for staying with me. If you guys are still watching the video, leave a like and comment what your favorite card was of the break. This pack does not want to open up, so there might be something good in here. Right. Renee Pinto. Not seeing anything. Nope. Xander Bogaerts. He just got signed to the. Was he the one that went to the Padres? There's Ethan Roberts. That's just a base rookie. Here's Randy. There's my dude right there. That's my PC boy right there, man. Kevin Smith, not to be confused with the actor. Logan Webb, probably the Giants' best player or pitcher. And then there's Verlander. I think he just got traded off too or picked up free agency. Alex Fado. And to end this, we're going to go with Rhys Hoskins and Montero. So that is pretty cool that we get a Witt short print. Alright, here's a little recap, guys. Oh shoot. Metallics, Kevin Smith, Lorenzen, Manny, Gil, and Bautista. We had a patch card of Julio. We had a Julio base and Hunter Green base. We had a Bobby Witt Jr. SP with the candy cane bat. Number 19 on the bottom right there, the code number. We hit a red metallic out of 99, Richie Palacios. Out of 99. Just a base red metallic. Wish it was Julio or Witt, but it's all good. And we had a Byron Buxton SSP. 20 on the back, 820. And our ornament was Walker Buehler. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Love you guys. If you guys are still following the channel, leave a like, comment what your favorite card was of this break. Follow me over on Instagram, Bats and Turnbuckles. It will be in the description. Just copy paste it over on Instagram. Love to see you guys over there. We're active over there a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.